Garrett Public Library has recently added Playaways to the collection. Playaways are preloaded, self-contained audiobooks. They're lightweight and easy to use. They'll require a AAA battery for use and headphones. You may find a battery in the case left over from a prior user, but for the best experience, a fresh battery is recommended as it will prevent skipping of the tracks. Flip the Playaway over until the picture side is up. Push down on the top tab and open the battery compartment. Place in the battery and shut the compartment. Insert your headphones in the headphone jack, and your volume controls are on the left-hand side. Push once on the orange power button to turn on the device. The power screen will display the chapter and the number of chapters in the book, for example, 1 of 3. The middle button is for play and pause button. If the device is paused for too long, it will go to sleep, but should pick up whenever you power it back on. The upper button with the single arrows allows you to skip forward and backwards from chapter to chapter. The buttons under those buttons with the double arrows allow you to move forward and backwards in the chapter. You know, for that awkward moment when someone is talking and you're trying to listen and then you realize you haven't heard either the person nor the book, these are your buttons. The SPD button at the top left allows for different narration speeds. You can go from a +2 to a -2. I personally like to listen to a +1. Normal seems oddly slow for me. If when you're playing a book, you click the power button once, a lock will appear on the screen, thus locking the keypad. This makes it nice if you're exercising and don't accidentally want to skip ahead 6 chapters. Just hit the power button again to unlock. If you have an auxiliary jack in your car and have an adapter cord, you can play these through your car speaker. I demoed this for you, but it's just way too cold outside, but you can do it, trust me. Checkout periods for these follow our same rules as paper books, which is 2-week period for new and 3 weeks for older. We look forward to adding Playaways and welcome any feedback you have regarding this new addition to our collection.